Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so there's been an opportunity to do the 10-week Tai Chi workshop that we were unable to do in Japan due to the travel restrictions in Sayulita, Mexico. And sorry about the pronunciation. It's on the Pacific side. It's a holiday, beachy sort of location, and one of my students who was booked in for the course is currently there, and he can find a conference room, yoga studio that we can rent for the workshop. So if any of you guys are interested in doing that, there were 9 people booked in for Kyoto. So give me an email if that interests you, and then we can set up a date to make that happen. If you're in the US, flights are very, very cheap to get there. From Canada, it's only a few $100s, so it's quite reasonable. Drop me an email, let me know your thoughts. If we get 3-4 people who feel that's comfortable, we'll schedule it there and make it happen. Okay folks, yeah, thanks for your time. See you in the next video.